Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's response to the ongoing Middle East crisis has starkly exposed the contradictions at the heart of New Delhi's foreign policy. While Iran endured a devastating joint US-Israel assault, India, once a strategic partner of Tehran, chose calculated silence. There was no meaningful outreach to Iranian leadership, no visible attempt to de-escalate tensions, and no diplomatic pressure on Israel to halt its strikes. Instead, Modi reached out to the UAE leadership to condemn Iran's retaliated response, signaling alignment with anti-Iran blocs rather than neutrality. For decades, India benefited immensely from its partnership with Iran, subsidized oil import, sustained India's energy security, and $500 million investment in the Chabahar port offered New Delhi strategic access to Afghanistan and Central Asia under a long-term agreement extending to 2024. Yet, in the midst of 2026 crisis, India has allocated zero budget to Chabahar, effectively sidelining a project one described as a geopolitical game changer. This abrupt shift reflects more than pragmatism. It reveals opportunism. By prioritizing economic ties with Gulf states and depending strategic intimacy with Israel, New Delhi appears willing to abandon long-standing partners with political convenience demands. Critics there argue that such selective diplomacy undermines regional stability and exposes a pattern of divisive alignment rather than principled engagement. India's global image as a balanced and independent power rings hollow when confronted with these retaliates. In moments of crisis, true strategic autonomy demands consistency, not silence shaped by ideological affinity and short-term gain.